Welcome back to InfyGyan, my dear friends. In this video, we are going to take up one very interesting and challenging rational equation problems which will be solving for real values of x. At first glance, this equation looks very tough and hard. But after certain steps, you will find this question is converting into the easiest problem. I want you to pause this video right now and try this equation by yourself first. Now we will write here denominators cannot be 0. So our answer cannot be equal to 3, 5, 17 and 19. Now we will rewrite our equation in this manner. 2x minus 5 can be written as 2x minus 6 plus 1. Denominator is x minus 3. 2x minus 9 can be written as 2x minus 10 plus 1 over x minus 5 plus 2x minus 33 is 2x minus 34 plus 1 over x minus 17 plus 2x minus 37 can be written as 2x minus 38 plus 1 over x minus 19, and this will be equal to our RHS, which is x minus 3. Now we will take 2 common from first two terms of the numerators. So we are going to get 2 times x minus 3 plus 1 over x minus 3 plus 2 times x minus 5 plus 1 over x minus 5 plus 2 times x minus 17 plus 1 over x minus 17 plus 2 times x minus 19 plus 1 over x minus 19 equal to RHS x minus 3. Now we will be separating our numerator terms with respect to denominator. So we will get 2 plus x minus 3 and x minus 3 will be cancelled out. 1 over x minus 3. Similarly, for second term, we will write 2 plus 1 over x minus 5 plus 2 plus 1 over x minus 17 plus 2 plus 1 over x minus 19 equal to x minus 3. Now we have 2 plus 2 is 4 plus 2 is 6 plus 2 is 8, which we will take to the RHS. So we will write here 1 over x minus 3 plus 1 over x minus 5 plus 1 over x minus 17 plus 1 over x minus 19 will be equal to x minus 3 minus 8, which is x minus 11. Now we will write equation 1 over x minus 3 plus 1 over x minus 5 plus 1 over x minus 17 plus 1 over x minus 19 equal to x minus 11. Now 3 plus 19 is 22. 5 plus 17 is also 22. So we will keep 1 over x minus 3 and 1 over x minus 19 in one bracket and 1 over x minus 5 with 1 over x minus 17. RHS is x minus 11. Now we have to take LCM. So we are going to write x minus 3 times x minus 19, the denominator's product, Now we'll write x minus 19 plus x minus 3 plus x minus 17 plus x minus 5 over x minus 5 times x minus 17 will be equal to x minus 11. Now we are going to get x plus x is 2x minus 19 minus 3 minus 22. So we can take 2 common. In the bracket we can write x minus 11. In denominator we can write x square minus 19 minus 3 minus 22x plus 57. Here we'll write 2 times x minus 22. So 2 is common, x minus 11 in the numerator, and in the denominator we'll write x square minus 22x plus 85 equal to x minus 11. Now we will take x minus 11 common and we will write on one side of the equation. So I can write here x minus 11, which is common, in other bracket 2 over x square minus 22x plus 57 plus 2 over x square minus 22x plus 85. Then we'll be writing minus 1 equal to 0. Now we have to use product 0 rule. So we are going to get two equations. First equation would be x minus 11 equal to 0. From this equation we are going to get our first real solution, x equal to 11. Now we'll write second equation, 2 over x square minus 22x plus 57, which we can write x square minus 22x and 57 is 71 minus 14. So we will write 71 minus 14 plus 2 over x square minus 22x. 85 is 71 plus 14. So we'll write 71 plus 14 equal to 1. Now we will divide our equation by 2 both sides and we are going to consider x square minus 22x plus 71. This is y. So we will write first 2 over y minus 14 plus 2 over y plus 14 equal to 1. Now we will divide both sides by 2. So 1 over y minus 14 plus 1 over y plus 14 equal to half. Now we will take LCM. So we are going to get y plus 14 plus y minus 14. So we will get 2y in the numerator and in denominator y minus 14 times y plus 14. After using difference of two squares formula, we can write y square minus 14 square, which is 196 equal to half. Now we will cross multiply and write y square minus 196 equal to 2 times 2y, 4y. Now we are going to use completing the square method. So I will take 4y to the LHS minus 196 to the RHS. So we will write y square minus 4y in LHS and 196 will be in the right hand side. Now we are going to add 4 to both sides so that our LHS will complete 1 square. This is y minus 2 whole square. And in RHS we are going to get 200. Now we will take a square root both sides. So y minus 2 will be equal to plus minus 10 square root 2. Now by adding 2 to both sides, we are going to get y values. 2 plus minus 10 is square root 2. Now y was our substitution, x square minus 22x plus 71. Let's write x square minus 22x plus 71 equal to 2 plus minus 10 square root 2. Now we are going to use completing the squares method once again. So I need to take 71 to the right hand side. We will get x square minus 22x, and in RHS we will write 2 minus 71, which will be equal to minus 69 plus minus 10 square root 2. Now coefficient of x is minus 22, half of that is minus 11, square of that is 121. So we have to add 121 on both the sides. We will get LHS equal to x minus 11 whole square, and RHS will be 121 minus 69. We will get 52. So I can write here 52 plus minus 10 square root 2. We'll take square root both sides. So we can write x minus 11 will be equal to plus minus square root of 52 plus minus 10 square root 2. Now we will add 11 to both sides. So plus 11 minus 11 will cancel out. We will get x equal to 11 plus minus square root of 52 plus minus 10 square root 2. So we have in total 1 plus 4, overall 5 real solutions. I will write here x1 to x5 over here. Let me write all the values first. So here we have 5 real values of x which will satisfy our rational equation. I hope friends you will like this video. Thank you so very much for watching. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye bye till next video. Good luck. Take care. Bye bye.